Garage insurance. The cost of running a company can be extremely overwhelming, especially if it is a small business. If you are in the automotive industry, you might face higher overhead expenses for all aspects of your company's existence and functioning. One thing you must not leave out is business insurance coverage and why having garage liability insurance can play a significant role in maintaining your company's success. Garage liability insurance is a specialized policy for repair shops, auto dealers, service shops, and tow truck operators, covering the company's liability exposure during its day-to-day operations. By combining parts of a commercial general liability policy with parts from a business auto policy, garage insurance guards against the unique risk associated with your automotive business, including claims for injuries, mistakes, or property damage resulting from work you have done or unknowingly defective parts that may have been installed. So what does garage liability insurance cover? This kind of liability insurance covers allegations made by individuals who are not employed in your company and have somehow been injured or harmed by garage operations. For instance, garage insurance is usually triggered by a property damage, which is damage to a third party's property like a cell phone while in the garage, or bodily injury, which covers medical costs if a third party suffers injury in the garage. Completed in products and operations covers issues that could arise from work completed in the garage, like if a tire were not properly secured and the customer suffered an injury. This coverage would pay the medical expenses. Garage liability insurance can safeguard your business in so many ways. Though the insurance cost can be an additional expense, it promises financial security for your company. To better understand your coverage options and how it can protect your business, give one of our trusted insurance advisors a call at 727-748-2886, and we would be happy to help find the right insurance coverage for you and your automotive business.